Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a young one or an older one who's just getting started with Legos, this Classic Creative Suitcase set is the perfect starting point. My son just switched from Duplos to the classic bricks, and we wanted to get him a nice set to get started. I love this set. It comes with 213 different Legos in a variety of different colors, and of course, it comes with this handy suitcase. What I like about it is it comes with the perfect amount to get him started so as to not overwhelm him, but gives him the freedom to create as well. Now, what's awesome about this suitcase is it comes with dividers, which make it really easy to sort the bricks based upon color or maybe even size or what they're using them for. I did appreciate that the instruction booklet here did come with some little basic ideas. This allowed him to start to get used to the idea and the concept of how connecting the bricks would create certain objects. A few of the things that he has made using this set is a little robot, a little airplane here, and a car too. And these were all items that were laid out for him step by step in the instruction booklet, which he did completely on his own. This LEGO Creative Classic Suitcase is the perfect introduction to new LEGO lovers, and that's just our point of view.